All right guys, AM&C Tech here, and here we go with the operational check of the electric servo motor for the flapper valves of the vent system. Let's see, what we're looking at is this motor right here. Now mind you guys, to access all these motors, you're gonna have to do some work. And it worked, you see it? Alright. Let's see. We're gonna change direction, see how it works. Here it is. It is officially working. You'll see that these two motors work in conjunction. Here it is. See it? It's moving. And based on how you want the air, they will move according to how you want the air to come out. Huh. Here it is. As you see these valves moving, what I'm actually doing is I'm moving this knob right here, because that's essentially what controls those the valves. See this knob right here? That's what controls these electric motors right here. Yeah, it's working. I'm very happy about it. Okay. Everything seems to be working properly. I just want to make sure that make sure it's let it open. Yep, okay. So it's a 3-position valve. All right, folks. Now, just keep in mind, to get the access to these electric motors, you're gonna have to remove this plate right here that holds in place your shifting module for the transmission. So hopefully this video helped. Oh, by the way, I use a 20,000 safety wire to cinch that plastic arm, so keep that in mind if you're interested in using safety wire, unless you have another method. And if you guys, this video was of help to you, please like and subscribe. And yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you.